आई थिंक नोइंग थिंग्स इज कूल. आई बिलीव जब मैं बचपन में फिल्में देखता था तो उसमें नर्ड लोगों को बड़ा ही वैसा दिखाते थे कि अरे ये तो ऐसे ही, उनका मजाक उड़ाया जाता था. बट आई थिंक द मोर आई ग्रो ओल्ड एंड द मोर लाइफ आई सी, आई थिंक बीइंग नर्ड इज कूल. I think we live in the time of casual takes. Everyone has casual takes about everything. I love people who deeply care about things. If you are somebody who can analyze Virat Kohli's score across different continents, if you are somebody who can guess a Bollywood song after listening to just 2 seconds of the song, if you know the difference between Bordeaux and Burgundy in wine, I love you. You are cool. Don't think that this is not about हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है इसलिए हम ये कर रहे हैं. नहीं, हम में पैशन है इन चीज़ों का. And I really really like such kind of people. I like people who are obsessed with things, who go into rabbit holes, who just discover things, keep exploring new things. I think being knowledgeable is cool. I think try to act casual कि मुझे तो ये पता ही नहीं, आप हैं, आपको मैं नहीं इज्जत करता. There's no coolness about not knowing things. And life is a journey of knowing new things. And we have found 16 people who love knowing new things. We have this crazy panel of 4 people who we are going to meet in this new episode of Anyone Can Quiz. Let's meet them one by one. Can we have a big round of applause for all 4 people first? And then we will meet them with their introductions. Let's start on our right.
I'm Sanskar and I'm a music composer, and I was supposed to prepare an intro, but I haven't really. So I'm Sanskar, I'm a music composer and I forget things. Basically.
ओ भाई देख, म्यूजिक कंपोजर ने इंट्रो ही प्रिपेयर नहीं किया, सीधा अंतरे में गाना जा रहा है. बट हु इज योर फेवरेट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर ऑफ ऑल टाइम?
Oh my god, I wasn't prepared for that. It's tough, but off the top of my head, Hans Zimmer.
Hans Zimmer.
Yeah.
थोड़ा इंडिया में भी कुछ?
India में I would say Amit Trivedi.
Amit Trivedi. Nice. You guys agree?
Yep.
Everyone likes?
There's Keeravani also, I like.
Keeravani also you like. Anyone else? Rahman has faded out of it? Or he's like Rahman तो है ही है.
Exactly.
Like that.
Most obvious sense.
It's like I read an article once which said if there was a survey about greatest Christians of all time, you don't say Jesus Christ, वो तो assumed ही है. उसके बाद you start. Okay. So Rahman is cut above the rest, then there is Amit
Yeah,
Trivedi.
could say that.
Okay. Favorite Amit Trivedi album, just for fun?
Fitur.
Fitur. Devdi. Okay. Any other Amit Trivedi fan?
Man Marziya.
Man Mardiya. Okay.
I don't listen to music.
You don't listen to music only.
He directs music videos, he said.
You direct music.
I have made music videos. I'm a filmmaker.
अच्छा, but you direct mute करके. गलती से music मत सुना देना मुझे. Okay, fair. So we have established that all of us are Amit Trivedi fans, except of course the person who might direct.
He would
Amit
be
Trivedi.
if would have listened.
Yes. Okay. Let's go to contestant number 2.
Hi, I'm Pallavi. I'm from Delhi/Bombay, and I'm a Jill of all trades. So that's why I'm here. I'm not the smartest person in my family. Like I am graduate as a father, and then my brother who has been known for his intelligence. But I think I know enough.
You know
I
enough.
am here to prove that.
Yeah. And we're here to learn also, ना? Let's not forget,
That's
है ना? जो नहीं पता वो सीख लेंगे. That should be the approach.
Yeah.
है ना? Anything that you like ऐसा, like he likes Amit Trivedi, for example. Any person, any work, actor, anything.
I like a lot of things. I like food a lot.
Food.
So I love watching cooking shows. I can just watch random videos of people making recipes, or like reruns of MasterChef. MasterChef here. Just cooking episodes, participants, cook-offs as well. So yeah. That
So you love food and
I love food, yes.
You're-
I love cooking and I love,
अच्छा.
making people eat, like serving people. And
Okay. Cool. हम लोग एड्रेस ले लेंगे after this episode, so we can all be invited for dinner वगैरह, है ना?
Definitely.
You cook non-veg, veg, everything?
yes,
Any another dietary requirement? Anyone
yes,
else?
please. I am lactose intolerant, so I'll take care of that for you guys.
Okay. What's your favorite Delhi restaurant? Pallavi.
Favorite Delhi restaurant depends on the cuisine.
Oh, this is a proper, this is a good this thing. Bhai, don't ask me as a generic. Give. Okay, cuisine wise बता दीजिए 2-3.
मतलब वैसे मुझे पर्सनली पैन एशियन पसंद है, सो हियर तो आई लाइक फू फॉर दैट.
Foo.
But in Delhi, there's this place called Yum Yum Cha where I love. They have this very nice half and half pizza, like half avocado and truffle, and then there is sorry.
No, please. This is what it is about.
Bell peppers and it's vegan. It's veg, but it's still very nice. Because I don't know why. I don't personally like Italian food at all because lactose intolerance. Like can't tolerate much of cheese or milk or dairy in general. But I love that.
Okay. So Yum Yum Cha is a
Yeah,
record
yeah.
for Delhi. Okay. Big round of applause for Pallavi and her passion for food. Contestant number 3, आइए बताइए कुछ अपने बारे में.
So I'm Ronit. I'm a filmmaker and an author, and I play chess. I'm not very good at it, but I still enjoy it.
Okay. Chess, like recently started या बचपन से?
Pandemic,
Pandemic.
like a lot of Indians and a lot of people around the world. So
Any favorite chess move or favorite chess player or anything you have?
not really, but I mean, Paul Morphy's games are really fun.
Okay.
I watch Agad Matos videos every day, and yeah.
Anyone else? You play chess over?
Yeah, I do play chess.
Do you guys have played एक दूसरे के
No,
against?
no, we haven't.
After this episode, maybe little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. What is your ratings and all you want to share? Like
1,000. My
1,000?
rating is 1,000. Yeah, stagnated at that.
stagnated.
In 1300s.
जीत जाएगा.
Just a humble brag. 1300. Okay, big round of applause for chess fan. He doesn't listen to music. That's his bio so far.
Shocking.
Chess fan. Okay. Contestant number 4. Come on.
Hi, this is Soham. I'm from Thane. I like saying that because I have every people around me are from Mumbai, that is why. And I work at Reserve Bank of India, and I am into movies, TV series. I like watching them, suggesting them to people.
So suggest हम लोगों को one
yeah.
movie, one show.
Yes.
One movie I'd suggest is Ugly, Anurag Kashyap ka. Ugly, which is
Papa
my
Calling?
all-time favorite movie.
Papa calling?
Yeah, Papa. And a show, of course, there's Breaking Bad on top of my head, but I would suggest Person of Interest to everyone. That is my second favorite all-time show. So yeah, वो देखा नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने, तो Person of Interest.
You did to Breaking Bad what we did with Rahman है ना कि Breaking Bad तो है ही है.
Exactly.
उसके बाद I think Person of Interest we can do. RBI, how is the job? Like how is monetary
very
policy coming along? And
So sadly I don't work there. आएगा अभी, लेकिन chill है जॉब. अभी फरवरी में ही ज्वाइन किया, तो अभी तक अच्छा लग रहा है. From State Bank of India to Reserve Bank of India.
वो अच्छा.
So huge change. So
तो आप उस वाले साउथ बॉम्बे ऑफिस में मिंट के पास
yes,
जाते
yes,
हैं?
near Fort, yeah, in the Fort.
Local everyday.
Yeah, Thane to CS.
Nice. I've done that route for many years. That's why I was very curious.
I will do that for the rest of my life.
Thane to VT and then, oh man, crazy. Big round of applause for Soham. From SBI to RBI to anyone. भाई, वाह क्या career path चल रहा है भाई सोहम का. Okay guys, let's start this episode. We'll start with a wonderful thing called toss. Okay. So I think episode के पहले आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा होगा ये, but यहाँ पे बहुत discussion चल रही कौन कहाँ होगा. तो we'll do a toss and then we'll figure कौन कहाँ होगा. Ready for toss questions? Okay, let's do it. Toss question. Britney's mother has 5 children. First is January, second kid February, third is called March, fourth is April. What is the name of the fifth? Soham?
Britney.
अरे बड़ा जानता है ब्रिटनी की फैमिली को. सोहम, वेल डन. ब्रिटनी इज करेक्ट. वेल डन. ब्रिटनी मदर हैज 5 चिल्ड्रन. ओके, चलिए आप डिसाइड करिए. और दोबारा डिसाइड करिए तो आप बोलेंगे उप्स आई डिड इट. सर बताइए.
This is fine. They both are left-handed, so let them be there. We are right-handed, so we can be.
भाई वाह, लेफ्ट और राइट की जो आपने इज्जत दी है, इंडियन मीडिया को आपसे सीखना चाहिए. तो गिव स्पेस टू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ व्यूज एंड ओपिनियन. ब्यूटीफुल. तो हमारे राइट में लेफ्ट है और लेफ्ट, और मैं तो फुल सेंट्रिस्ट हूँ. मैं कोई ओपिनियन ही नहीं है लाइफ में. ब्यूटीफुल. तो ठीक है, दिस इज द ऑर्डर देन. अरे वाह,
Thank you.
No problem.
ठीक है. मैं सोहम, वेरी नाइस गेटिंग सम ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम हिज को कंटेस्टेंट्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट राउंड. संस्कार and everyone else, let's see the 9 categories. The 9 categories for this episode are treasure, date, travel, accolades, food delivery, DT, Raja Maharaja, homegrown, and tech. संस्कार, क्या लग रहा है इसमें से क्या पसंद है आपको?
I don't know, maybe I'll go for travel.
ओके, बट शूटिंग के बाद जाना. सॉरी गाइस. ट्रैवल, लेट्स सी 5 पॉइंट फॉर ट्रैवल. In which country will you find the Louvre Museum, home to the famous painting, the Mona Lisa?
Yeah, France.
France, yes, correct. First point on board. 5 points, well done. It is France, it's in Paris. Okay, कोई गया है? किसी ने देखा है मोनालिसा, लूव वगैरह? ये वो मैंने भी नहीं देखा. एक दिन जाएंगे सब साथ. Okay, next question for 10 points. In which country are you likely to see road signs playfully stating no kangaroos found here?
Australia?
Not Australia. It's open for buzzer. Anyone? Yes, Pallavi has buzzed.
Okay, taking a guess. New Zealand?
Not New Zealand.
Oh, that is
minus
not-
5. Minus 5 to Pallavi for New Zealand. इधर कुछ from the right parties.
नहीं नहीं.
Done. We'll close.
Yep.
Okay. The answer is Austria. Okay. So they have this. Playfully they are saying कि we are not Australia, we are Austria. So no kangaroos found here. Okay.
Funny.
ठीक है. Cool. No problem. So we come back to the main board and the tile is still not removed. There's a person hiding behind these categories. Travel is done, which means we are back home. And Pallavi, you get to pick the next one.
Should I pick food delivery?
Food delivery, of course. Right on point, right on brand. Food delivery. Let's see. For 5 points. Eternal is the parent company of which famous food delivery company?
Okay, we're literally talking about food delivery. I thought it was like a fun take on food.
Oh no. Cancel करना delivery. अभी तो
I mean, 60 seconds
लड़का
तो
निकल
नहीं
चुका
हुए. Take a guess only. Swiggy.
No. Cut the wrong cable Pallavi. The answer was Zomato. Okay.
There was a 50-50.
Zomato, and they recently announced Eternal. Okay. So no problem. Another category is not opened, which means now we come to Ronit. Ronit, travel भी हो गया, food delivery भी हो गई. अब बताओ कहाँ जाए?
Date?
डेट पे जाते? Why not? Okay. खाना वाना मंगा लिया, travel भी हो गया. Let's see date. Date. First question is for 5 points. Oh, which app's tagline is designed to be deleted?
I know this, but I know it's a dating app, but I've not used dating apps, so I forgot. I don't remember the name. Bumble?
Cut the wrong cable again. Wrong wire काटने का चल रहा है. Anyone wants to guess for fun?
Hinge.
Hinge. Yes. Not Bumble, but Hinge. Okay, no problem. कभी किया नहीं ना डेटिंग ऐप में, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. ना म्यूजिक सुनता है ना डेटिंग ऐप. बढ़िया लाइफ है. ओके, ट्रैवल डन, फूड डिलीवरी डन, डेट डन. सोहम,
Dating.
डेटी. लेट्स डू दिस. चलो, डेटी. Economists noted that nifty trends correlated with this cricketer's performance, dipping when he struggled, rising when he thrived. Identify him.
Yes. Follow his religion also. So Sachin Tendulkar.
अरे वाह, यस. जिस तरह से ये राउंड चल रहा था मुझे तो विनोद काम्बली बोल देगा. दो थी. Other option, no, it is Sachin Tendulkar. Correct. 5 points for one deity that all of us follow, regardless of anything else. Okay, which means 10 points. अब ठीक है. Let's see. Deity. Next question. Which deity, known as the registrar of the dead, records every individual's good and bad deeds in Agra Sandhini?
जिस ट्रायर की वजह से कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ.
तो आरबीआई वालों को ऐसा रजिस्ट्रार जैसा वर्ड दिख जाता है तो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है कि एक सेकंड
नहीं, नहीं.
रजिस्ट्रार है.
सो फॉर सम रीजन मेरे को हनुमान रिटर्न्स याद आ रहा है, जो रिटर्न ऑफ हनुमान अनुराग कश्यप का था. उसमें वो लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहा होता है यमराज की तरह. बट आई से यमराज ओनली.
Not Yamraj. Open for buzzer. Anyone wants to go for it?
I want to get a -5 again. I think I know, but I'm not sure.
देख लो यार.
नहीं.
रिस्क है तो पाँच बाद में 10 पॉइंट आएंगे.
Second let me know.
नो. ओके, ठीक है. बिना नेगेटिव के गेस करना चाहती हूँ.
मुझे याद नहीं. Is it Narad?
Not
यमदूत.
Not Yamdu.
I know it's. मतलब I picture him. I also know it from that movie Yam hai Yamraj Kader Khan wali movie. Chitragupta.
Yes,
Yes,
that is the
Yes, it was there in my mind. but I
संस्कार, it is चित्रगुप्त.
यही लैपटॉप यूज करता है उसमें.
यही करते हैं ना laptop.
हाँ, exactly. So I was picturing him. I was trying to remember the name. मुझे नहीं आ रहा था यार. अच्छा है नहीं. I'm glad I didn't.
So another
press
good
the button.
Chitragupta is Waha Life of Tracy में Arshad Varsi.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, good
He's supposed
Chitragupta.
to be Chitragupta. I did not.
Every day is a learning experience in life. Yeah? Who would have thought? Okay, चित्रगुप्त तो अभी भी वो इमेज का कुछ खुला नहीं है पीछे है ना.
Yeah.
But date is done, travel is done, food delivery is done, and deity is done. We'll start again with Sanskar.
Tech.
Tech. Okay. Talking of laptop and Chitragupt, I think we should segue to tech. Okay. Name of this email service was chosen out of many possibilities ending in mail and included the letters HTML, highlighting its web-based nature.
Hotmail.
Hotmail, yes. Hotmail. Sabir Bhatia, OP in the chat. 5 points there to Sanskar. Well done. It is Hotmail. Okay. Which means we'll go to 10-pointer now. In digital matrix, MAU, WAU, DAU, and HAU measure time-based engagement. What does AU stand for in this context?
Attention unit.
Attention unit, no buzzer open if somebody wants to pounce on this and get some points. नहीं पल्लवी नहीं. Okay, we'll close. कुछ guesses हैं ऐसा generally? Monthly dash dash, weekly dash dash.
Average users. Average users.
Very close. Active users.
Active users. Oh.
Yeah, active users. Okay, no problem. So, Sanskar got 5 for HTML and Hotmail. पल्लवी बताइए. Treasure, accolades, Raja Maharaja or homegrown?
Can I ask what home?
No.
Okay, I'll take a chance.
Let's take homegrown. Okay. Homegrown. First question. Which Indian dairy brand is an acronym that derives its name from a Sanskrit word meaning priceless?
Amul.
Amul. Yes. Yes. Well done. Amul is an acronym for Anand Milk Union Limited and Amulya means priceless. Okay. 5 points. Let's go to the next homegrown question for 10 points. Harsh Mariwala expanded Parachute's national distribution in 1974 and later founded this company which now owns Setwet, Saffola and Beardo.
Marico.
Yes! Wow! Very deducible also. Mariwala की company Marico, which means homegrown tile हटी है. पहली tile है आज की.
Yes.
जो हटी है, so there will be an image that will be shown only to Pallavi.
Oh.
So Pallavi, what do you think?
I don't know. I'm not a fan of people's necks. I don't have a neck fetish.
Neck fetish. But any guess? Just तो फर्क हो सकता है. कोई negative नहीं है कुछ.
Negative नहीं है. Okay. T-shirt पहना हुआ था.
क्या पहने हुआ?
T-shirt
T-shirt
पहना हुआ था. हाँ. शुभमन गिल.
Shubman Gill. Okay, good. Not Shubman Gill, but ठीक है. Yes. No negatives also. Okay. We'll now come to Ronit. Ronit, treasure, accolades, Raja Maharaja.
Let's do treasure.
Let's do treasure. Okay. Treasure करते हैं. Treasure. Category treasure का पहला question. In Dhamal, which letter marks the spot where the hidden treasure is buried?
I've seen this movie. I don't remember it.
Okay.
It.
So,
Oh no.
हस्बैंड के साथ देख रहे हैं कि क्या 1 सेकंड से ज्यादा लग गई है बोलने में. कैसे ढूंढेगा तू ट्रेजर?
I know it's probably not, but is it X?
X. Oh no. Guys, do you want to tell?
W. बड़े W के नीचे.
Yes, बड़े W के नीचे होता है ट्रेजर. Which means ये भी नहीं खुला, तो हम अभी भी assume कर रहे हैं कि जो neck है ये शुभमन गिल की है. So far. We'll see how far from शुभमन गिल we go. Okay, last category. I think दो ही option है आपके पास. So
Yeah.
accolades या राजा महाराजा?
Accolades.
Accolades. Okay. Good. This team is very royalist type. Okay. This film that won the Oscar for Best Original Song in 2023 made history as the first Indian and Asian film to do so. Which film is this, Soham?
RRR.
RRR. Well done. What are the odds कि आपने किरावानी की बात की before we start the episode and वाह क्या बात है. So रोनित बेसिकली एक गाना है जिसमें आपने देखा वो दो लोग डांस करते क्यों कर रहे हैं रोनित को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. ये लोग क्यों नाच रहे हैं भाई. न्यूज में देख रहे हैं. Okay, RRR is correct. We'll now go to 10 pointer in accolades to Soham. Soham, the Billy Awards honored positive portrayals of female athletes. Which 2007 film won in the entertainment category?
No.
Pass? कोई ऐसा hint?
Black Swan.
Black Swan? Okay,
No
that's
athlete
okay.
in that, but
Female athlete. Black Swan.
नहीं, लेकिन ठीक.
Anyone wants to buzz? Oh ho, Ronit.
Is it Chak De India?
भाई वाह.
Wow.
जिस फिल्म का म्यूजिक का कम पॉपुलैरिटी हो जो बाकी चीजों के लिए जाना जाए रोनित को वो पता होता है. चक दे इंडिया. वेल डन. फैंटास्टिक. चक दे इंडिया 2007 ऑफ कोर्स फीमेल हॉकी टीम. चक दे इंडिया इज करेक्ट. 5 extra points मतलब 5 points for Soham. And that brings us to the end of the first round. Big round of applause again for this round. Having fun. Warm up has started. Enjoying.
Yes.
Okay, score time after the first round. Sanskar right now is on 10 points. Pallavi also on 10 points. Wow. Ronit 5 points, not far behind. Yeah. And Soham also on 10 points. भाई काफी ज्यादा कम्युनिस्ट और सोशलिस्ट क्विजिंग कर रहे हैं हम लोग की. भाई देखो कोई ज्यादा आगे नहीं बढ़ना चाहिए. सबको आसपास बराबर 10-5. Everything will change now in different rounds. Before we start round 2, Ronit, you have a crazy offer from our side, which is
Okay.
next round is basically a team round. So you get to pick कि पल्लवी, संस्कार और सोहम में आप किसको अपना टीममेट बनाना चाहते हैं.
No. Soham.
सोहम. बस किसी को हिलना नहीं है शायद. ये देख लिया मैंने कि अभी क्या घंटा लग रहा है इधर उधर करना पड़ेगा. यही ठीक है. मेरे को हिलना नहीं है. ओके सोहम, हैप्पी विद दिस डिसीजन.
Yes.
यू गाइस हैप्पी? थोड़ा सा ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि कैसे पिक नहीं किया. हाँ नहीं ठीक है.
उसे भी नहीं.
मुझे ठीक लग रहा है कि उसको पिक नहीं किया. तब मुझे लगता कि somebody now he was just choosing convenience. Otherwise girls people don't pick. So sad.
अच्छा वो तो डेटिंग ऐप पे भी नहीं है. ओके राउंड 2 की टीम्स हैं. एक कुछ टीम नाम दे देते हैं. क्या दें आप लोग का नाम? कुछ है ऐसा आप लोग भी सोचो कुछ.
Chak De India.
टीम चक दे इंडिया. ओके टीम चक दे इंडिया. आप लोग क्या चुनते हैं? टीम दिल पाकिस्तान. डोंट इवन.
Since they were Chak De India, we said King Richard.
किंग रिचर्ड. टीम किंग रिचर्ड और टीम चक दे इंडिया. ओके सो दिस नेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग. इसमें आप लोगों को मैं एक काम दे रहा हूँ कि आपकी टीम में से एक इंसान नेम प्लेस और एक इंसान एनिमल थिंग. तो डिसाइड करिए. आप लोगों ने किया डिसाइड? कौन कर रहा है नेम प्लेस
मैं नेम प्लेस कर रहा हूँ.
एंड यू आर डूइंग एनिमल थिंग. क्यों कुछ था कुछ डिस्कशन कुछ ऐसा?
No, not really. But
जस्ट
yeah.
यू आर गुड विद नेम.
I'm good with places.
यू आर गुड विद प्लेस.
Exactly, I'm not good with places.
ओके फेयर. तो नेम प्लेस वाले इधर आ जाइए. एनिमल थिंग वाले वहाँ चले जाइए. जस्ट फॉर कंसिस्टेंसी. ओके सो नेम प्लेस हियर एनिमल थिंग देयर. हाँ टीम चक दे इंडिया.
Name place.
नेम प्लेस. क्यों?
I'm better at place.
You're better at places and
Animal thing.
you're better at animals.
Yes.
Name place animal thing. Okay. ठीक है. सारी दुनिया जला देंगे. नहीं थोड़ा टीम बेस राउंड. वन मेंबर सेलेक्ट्स नेम प्लेस. सो इन दिस केस जो दोनों मेरे पास वाले हैं आप लोग का नेम प्लेस है. अदर मेंबर सेलेक्ट्स एनिमल थिंग. सो आप दोनों एनिमल थिंग. बोर्ड कंटेन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स. टीम विल पिक अ पर्टिकुलर लेटर. 4 questions will appear. Team members will write their own 2 answers within 1 minute. आपको सिर्फ अपना अपना लिखना है. If all 4 are correct, you get +20. If 2 or 3 are correct, then +5, else 0. Okay. So पहला क्वेश्चन आप लोग चिल कर सकते हो because we'll start with team चक दे इंडिया. ठीक है? Done with. We can start.
Yes, cool.
And no discussion, no body language, verbal, non-verbal, all of that. Okay. Your 6 options are B, K, G, DRP.
Okay.
टीम चक दे इंडिया के. ओके. नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग. आप लिखेंगे नेम प्लेस. आप लिखेंगे एनिमल थिंग. Name. At 17, she debuted in the 1992 film Bekhudi. Her breakthrough came in a film co-starring Shah Rukh Khan and Shilpa Shetty. Place is home to a 13th century Sun Temple. This Odisha town also hosts a famous annual dance festival celebrating classical Indian art. So ये दो आंसर लिखेंगे Ronit, and Soham has to crack animal and thing. Animal is found mostly in Australia. They are known for their long hours of sleep and eucalyptus-rich diet. And Soham will also write thing, which is a Mughal era frozen dessert from Delhi. Its Persian derived name means covered cup, and it's often flavored with saffron. Okay, time's up. Please reveal your answer to the camera, to our audience. So, पहले का आंसर लिखा है रोनित ने काजोल, ओके, कोणार्क, ओके, कोआला, ओके, खीर, ओके। पल्लवी आप बताना
नहीं,
चाहते
खीर गलत है।
कहाँ गलत है?
Of course, गलत है.
What do you think, Sanskar?
I don't know.
You don't know. What do you think? Good person to ask is Ronit right now. What do you think?
I couldn't think of anything from K.
Couldn't think of this one. Mughal era frozen dessert from
the
Delhi.
thing.
That means covered cup.
हाँ, I couldn't think.
But Pallavi, you know this, right?
Kulfi.
Kulfi.
हाँ.
So 3 out of 4 right. Not bad. Kajol, Konark and Koala were right. Kheer was not right. The answer is Kajol, Konark, Koala and Kulfi. So no problem. Plus 5 to both of you. Plus 5 to both. है ना? Okay.
Yeah,
Happy with
yeah,
this?
cool.
Plus 5. ठीक है. Which means now K is done. तो बचा B, D, R, P, G. The team King Richard.
What to pick?
B or R? R.
R?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to R. Name, place, animal thing. Name. His father-in-law founded a major tech company and he was preceded by Liz Truss and succeeded by Keir Starmer. That is the name. Place is a former national capital and one of the largest Punjabi-speaking cities in the world. Its name became synonymous with a famous fast bowler. Hint for animal. Associated with Playboy, it is also known for endurance, featuring in Energizer and Duracell ads. What is this animal? Thing. R2D2, C3PO, Wall-E, Optimus Prime are all dash. What? Time to reveal. Let's see Pallavi and Sanskar, Team King Richard. Rabbit, robots, Rawalpindi, blank. एक क्लोजअप शॉट हो जाए पल्लवी के व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? क्या मिस कर गया संस्कार?
ऋषि सुना.
ऋषि सुना.
That was gonna be my guess.
फादर इन लॉ, मेजर टेक कंपनी, उनकी वजह से लोगों को 70 घंटे काम करना पड़ रहा है. प्रीसीडेड बाय लिज ट्रस, सक्सीडेड बाय केस. ऋषि सुनाक.
Yeah, I did not. I could not make the
Connection
Connection,
between,
yeah.
Rawalpindi is a great crack, I have to say. And of course, both rabbit and robot are correct. So 3 out of 4 plus 5 to both of you. आप लोग तो बहुत खुश हो गए, है ना?
Yeah,
चलो
yes.
इनका भी प्लस 5 हुआ. ओके, के और आर हो चुका है. टीम चक दे इंडिया BDGP.
बोल
B.
B से animal. ठीक है.
बी से बेसिकली सोहम ने बी से सारे एनिमल स्कैन कर लिए. तो बोला बी से. हाँ ओके, ले आ भाई, ले आ, मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को एनिमल. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू बी. लेट्स डू इट. बी. नेम. आफ्टर डेब्यूइंग एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट इन धर्मवीर, हिज फर्स्ट लीड रोल इन बरसात earned him a Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. Place. Known as Nath Nagari due to its many ancient Shiva temples, this city is also called Jhumka City. Animal. Known as the swamp deer, this species' name is derived from the number of times on its antlers. Thing. This hard bread, commonly eaten with dal, is a staple in Rajasthan and parts of MP and Gujarat. If you guys are ready, तो हम कर सकते हैं.
Right.
Sure?
Yep.
चलो भाई, time to show.
Any other guesses?
Your B answers are Bobby Deol, Badrinath, Barasinga और Bhati. पल्लवी क्या लगता है एज द जज फॉर दिस टीम कहाँ गलती रहेगी?
बद्रीनाथ,
बद्रीनाथ में क्या होना चाहिए?
बरेली.
झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में. दैट वाज अ बिग क्लू. दिस सिटी इज आल्सो कॉल्ड झुमका सिटी, बट अनफॉर्चूनेटली you just saw Sadhana doing something with झुमका. You had no idea कि क्या चल रहा है. The lyrics were actually बरेली. That was the problem. It's Bobby Deol was
I
right.
really like to appreciate how he has written though. कितनी अच्छी लिखा है.
Yeah.
Very thank you. Bati is correct. Barasinga is a great crack.
बी से एनिमल,
हाँ, बी से एनिमल तूने सब स्कैन कर लिया था. और क्या क्या थे?
भालू, बेर,
भालू बेर दोनों सब स्कैन. बफेलो, भैंस. Oh भाई, okay, cool. So again +5 for both of you. अभी तक किसी का 20 नहीं आया ना. Let's see. Maybe it's time to get 20. कौन सा letter?
P.
Yeah.
P.
P. Okay. P. Let's do P. P for
Pallavi.
Pallavi. अरे हाँ. Okay. Name this national award winning actor who also portrayed Sardar Patel on screen became an MP from Ahmedabad East in 2014. Second, this place, the city once the capital of a princely state, is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi and Sudama. Animal. This egg-laying mammal, when discovered in 1798, was thought to be a prank. Thing, derived from the Persian word for wool. This fabric comes from the fine undercoat of the Changthanki goat. Name, place, animal, thing. Pallavi must be writing animal and thing. And Sanskar must be ready with name and place. चलो भाई दिखाओ.
The name might be wrong, I'm not sure.
Let's see.
Very wrong.
कैमरे पे पंकज त्रिपाठी, पोरबंदर, प्लेटिपस, पश्मीना. क्या लगता है?
परेश रावल है ना?
Yeah.
You think.
पल्लवी क्या? What do you?
मुझे भी first वाला confused करा था.
Okay.
So I'll excuse him if he's wrong.
जा तुझे माफ किया क्योंकि I'm honest enough to admit कि मैं भी confused थी पहले. अगर मैं sure होती ना तो तेरी जो हालत होती. पंकज त्रिपाठी कब एमपी बन गया? Okay, yes, not Pankaj. You have to go to previous. Oh my God.
Yeah.
To be. This is Paresh Rawal. And Porbandar is, of course, you were right. Platypus, you were right. Egg-laying mammal में वही. और पीसे. और कौन कौन से जानवर है पीसे? सोहम.
से पैंडा,
पैंडा.
यप,
हाँ. और
बस पोपट, पैरेट, पोपट,
पैरट, पोपट.
Panda और पांडा.
पैंडा और पांडा. हिंदी में पांडा बोलते हैं. और क्या था? प्लेटिपस. हाँ, जब वो डिस्कवर हुआ था प्लेटिपस और भेजा गया यूरोप में तो उनको लगा प्रैंक है ऐसा. तो जाना
बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को जोड़
बहुत सारे एनिमल को जोड़ के बना दिया. और क्या था लास्ट में? पश्मीना. अमित त्रिवेदी भाई, कम ऑन.
फितू.
है ना? ओके, कूल. सो अगेन 5 points to you guys because we missed परेश रावल. है ना?
Yeah.
चलो, एनीवे लास्ट 2 अल्फाबेट्स. तो आपके पास अब बचे हैं डी और जी.
जी.
बताइए भाई.
You pick this time.
जी.
जी. ओके जी. जी. जी पे जाते हैं जी. ओके. नेम. ही वर्कड एज अ फोटोग्राफर इन अ डेली न्यूज़पेपर कॉल्ड आज की आवाज टू मेंटेन हिज सीक्रेट आइडेंटिटी. Place at 3100 meter in Uttarakhand, this holy site by the Bhagirathi river links to Lord Shiva's legend about a divine river's origin. Animal known in archaic English as camelopard. They live in groups called tower or tar. Thing also called tilsakri or tilpatti. This North Indian sweet of sesame seeds and jaggery is hammered for a crisp, long-lasting texture. गाइस दिखाओ नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग. दुनिया को अपनी सच्चाई दिखाओ. गंगाधर, गंगोत्री. क्या लिखा है? गोट और गजर. ओ माय. ऑफ ऑल द 4 थिंग्स
Animal.
व्हाट डिड दे मिस?
Animal.
They missed animal as resident zoologist of the group. Oh my God. So हम ये कैसे हो गया? कैमल और लेपर्ड मिला के बनाया कैमेलोपार्ड. तो कैमल सोचो लंबा होता
और
है
towers.
और ग्रुप्स को टावर बोलते हैं. तो मतलब
नहीं, ब्लैंक ही हो गया मैं. एंड रेसिडेंट जूलॉजिस्ट बोल के मेरे कॉलेज वाले देखेंगे तो मैं बीएससी जूलॉजी हूँ.
तू सच में है?
मजा अभी तक छुपा के रखा था. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में ही नहीं होना था.
Shit. बताओ तुमने गजक निकाल दिया
हाँ खाने का पता है ना।
और अपना रोनित ने मस्त दोनों से ही निकाला।
yep.
गंगाधरी शक्तिमान है, व्हाट अ ग्रेट क्रैक।
जी
आज की आवाज। गंगोत्री भी करेक्ट, गंगाधर गंगोत्री ऑल करेक्ट, गजक करेक्ट, बट गोट भाई आई थिंक +5 अगेन टू यू गाइस। ओके, वन लास्ट चांस टू गेट 20.
It's okay.
Team King Richard, you have no
confused
choice
for Jack.
because you are getting
D.
D. Let's do this. D. Name starting his career with मैंने प्यार किया. He became a household name as Jethalal for the last 17 years. Place. This hill station in Himachal Pradesh was named after a British Governor General who made this place a summer retreat. Animals. A group of these intelligent marine mammals is called a pod. Males are known as bulls, females as cows, and their young as calves. Thing. This 5-yard long traditional men's garment is called mardani, jainbo, and panche in different regions. Time to
The place might be the issue this time.
place might be the issue this time. Let's see.
It is an
It
issue.
is, yeah.
It is. Oh no. Dilip Joshi, Dharamshala. Dharamshala was a famous British governor general. Yeah. They came here, they got so ingrained in Indian culture.
I was
Lord
thinking-
Dharamshala was crazy.
I was thinking McLeodganj and I was like, why?
Pallavi got dolphins and dhoti both correct. But Dharamshala is incorrect, guys. It is Dalhousie,
Dalhousie.
named after Lord Dalhousie.
Yeah.
So 5 points to both of you. Not bad. Everyone got 5 right. But we got a lot of fun. Dilip Joshi we thought was a difficult crack, which you cracked.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
I mean,
actually.
people know Jethalal.
Surprisingly.
A lot of people don't remember the name of the actor.
Yeah.
But Dalhousie we thought was an ease.
Think I'm like uncertainty principle. I only get one thing. Right.
And of course, dhoti and this one were both right.
Coincidentally, all the things question that they got were food related. I was just thinking that.
Gajak वगैरह ना,
लकीली
कुल्फी
लेकिन उसमें भी एक
वुल्फी
गलत कर दिया।
I overthought Dalhousie. I thought it was in Kashmir or something.
I thought you said you like travel.
I had never said that. I just selected the category. I never said I do enjoy travel, but
I don't want to be.
No, this was the point of making teams यार, please go for it. ओके दोस्तों, सेकंड राउंड भी खत्म हो गया। हमने बहुत सारा फन किया, बट स्कोर्स में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा क्योंकि सबने सेम ही पॉइंट ऐड किए, +6 चारों में है तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बट संस्कार इज ऑन 25 राइट नाउ। संस्कार, पल्लवी इज ऑन ऑल्सो ऑन 25 राइट नाउ। Ronit is on 20 right now, and Soham is also on 25 right now. Crazy. 25, 25, 25, 20, which brings us to our third round. Round नेम प्लेस एनिमल थिंग कर लिया। अब हम करेंगे राजा मंत्री चोर सिपाही। ओके, दिस इज अ बजर राउंड, ओपन फॉर एवरीवन। बहुत सिंपल राउंड है। विल शो यू 4 थिंग्स ऑन योर स्क्रीन। उसमें से एक चोर है, मतलब वो ऑड वन आउट है।
Okay.
ठीक है, सो वंस यू, सबके लिए ओपन है, वंस यू प्रेस द बजर यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द चोर। इफ यू आर राइट ऑन चोर यू गेट +10 और -5 इफ यू आर रॉन्ग। बट यू कैन ऑल्सो एक्चुअली गेट एक्स्ट्रा 5 पॉइंट्स इफ यू कैन टेल कि क्या कनेक्ट है, वो क्यों चोर है। ओके, एंड नो नेगेटिव, सो यू कैन जस्ट अटेम्प्ट फॉर एक्स्ट्रा बोनस कनेक्ट।
दूसरे भी कर सकते हैं जिसने आंसर।
हाँ, नहीं, सो कनेक्ट वही पर्सन ट्राई करेगा जिसने पिछला सही दिया।
ठीक है।
इफ वन पर्सन गिव्स गलत चोर आंसर, अगेन बजर इज ओपन फॉर एवरीवन। ठीक है, राउंड समझ आ गया सबको?
यस।
लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू आइडेंटिफाई चोर। एकाना स्टेडियम, चौधरी चरण सिंह इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, खुसरो बाग, बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा। एक स्टेडियम है, एक एयरपोर्ट है, एक बाग है। ओहो हो, ओके, आइए भाई।
Ekana Stadium.
एकाना स्टेडियम, ओके, -5 टू संस्कार। एकाना स्टेडियम चोर नहीं है। बाकी तीनों भी किसी ने किया है बस ऑलरेडी। ओहो, पल्लवी।
Is it Khusro Bagh?
खुसरो बाग, यस दैट इज करेक्ट। +10 टू पल्लवी, वेल डन। ओके पल्लवी, यू गेट अ शॉट कि क्यों है खुसरो बाग यूनिक इस लिस्ट
Is
में।
there a minus if I get it?
नो,
Are they all in Lucknow except Khusro Bagh?
I'll give it to you, yes, well done. Everything else is in Lucknow. Ekana Stadium is in Lucknow. Chaudhary Charan Singh Airport is Lucknow's airport, and Khusro Bagh is not in Lucknow. Khusrobag is in anyone? Khusrobag is in Prayagraj. Okay. Khusrobag is correct. So Pallavi got connect and she also got the odd one out. So total of 15 you got on this. Correct? Okay. Next question. Azhar Iqbal, Amit Jain, Anupam Mittal and Adit Palicha. Pallavi.
Adit Palicha. All of them are Shark Tank judges.
अरे ब्यूटीफुल भाई, अगेन परफेक्ट आंसर, नॉट जस्ट द चोर बट यू गॉट द कनेक्ट ऑल्सो विच इज ग्रेट. सो यू गॉट द चोर विच वॉज चोर ओनली फॉर दिस राउंड. प्लीज आदित्य पलीचा
Who I meant to say.
Shark Tank judges was the connect. So crazy round so far for Pallavi. Let's go. सब ready है third question के?
Yep.
Okay, let's go to the third question. मानुषी चिल्लर, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, ऐश्वर्या राय, दीपिका पादुकोण. Pallavi once again, बताइए.
Deepika Padukone.
Okay.
All of them are Miss World.
अरे perfect once again भाई, चोर भी सही पकड़ा है और कनेक्ट भी बिल्कुल सही. दीपिका पादुकोण इज करेक्ट एंड मिस वर्ल्ड वाज द कनेक्ट. भाई व्हाट अ राउंड सो फार. ग्रेट कमबैक इज हैपनिंग. नेक्स्ट राउंड. जो गुस्सा था पिछले राउंड में मेरे पार्टनर को लेके, ने डलहौजी धर्मशाला तुझे ना, रुक जा मैं खुद ही अकेले खेलती हूँ, बताते हैं तो. ओके रेडी? ओके
Yes.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रणविजय सिंघा, आयुष्मान खुराना, असीम रियाज और प्रिंस नरूला. नंबर 1 ऑफ कोर्स पल्लवी, बताइए.
Asim Riaz.
क्यों?
All the others are Rodi winners.
अरे वाह भाई वाह, सुपर. 15 पॉइंट. बाकी 3 कंटेस्टेंट के अपलॉज धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहे हैं. पहले उनका ये था, ए नाइस यार, नाइस यू गॉट. नाउ यू आर लाइक, अरे भाई एक सेकंड, क्या हो रहा है. Perfect answer again. Asim Riaz was the chore here. Rodi's winners was the connect. Although I saw a recent interview of Raghu who said कि पहले सीजन में कोई विनर नहीं था apparently.
It was just a journey. I
Yeah,
also
like
saw
our
that.
algorithm, I think there is some overlap. Okay, Asim Riaz and Rodi's winner, perfect. Again, plus 10 for correct chore and plus 5 for correct connection. So you get 15. Are we ready for fifth question?
Yes.
Okay. मोहम्मद हमीद अंसारी, नीलम संजीव रेड्डी, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, प्रतिभा पाटिल. पल्लवी बताइए.
Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy.
ओके, -5 टू पल्लवी. -5 पहला नेगेटिव पल्लवी का इस राउंड में. अब देखते हैं कि अगला बजर किसने दबाया था. अगला बजर दबाया था सोहम ने. सोहम कम ऑन.
Mohammad Hamid Ansari.
क्यों?
I think he is the only one who wasn't the president.
Yes, perfect. Superb. As simple as that. Mohammad Hamid Ansari was our vice president, never became our president, while the other 3 have all served as India's president. Perfect. 5 points extra and 10 points for Mohammad Hamid Ansari. So 15 points for Soham and -5 to Pallavi. Let's see next question. Dove, Axe, Closer and Tide. Whoa. Pallavi.
मुझे लगता है मैंने जल्दबाजी में दबा दिया. Axe.
Axe, -5 to Pallavi. अब देखते हैं उसके बाद किसने दबाया था बजर. ओके, नंबर 2 संस्कार.
Tide.
टाइड. क्यों?
Because the others are wellness. Tide is detergent.
Okay, so 10 points for Tide, but not the right connect. But nobody else got pounds on the connect. So everything else was Unilever and Tide is PNG, of course. So plus 10 to Sanskar for Tide. Next, The Guide, Malgudi Days, Swami and Friends, A Suitable Boy. Pallavi once again.
A suitable boy.
क्यों?
Because all the others are written by R.K. Narayan.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Full 10 points for Suitable Boy and 5 extra points for R.K. Narayan Connect. And Suitable Boy is of course not by R.K. Narayan, it's by
Vikram Seth.
Vikram Seth. Okay, 15 points to Pallavi, which brings us to the last question of this round. सागर शाह, निहाल सरीन, अरविंद चिदम्बरम और कोनेरू हम्पी. Number 3, chess. Come on.
Sagar Shah, the rest are all grandmasters.
अरे वाह भाई वाह, आपने अपने चेस पैशन की इज्जत रखी. Correct. Sagar Shah, all the others are grandmasters from India. Sagar Shah is not. Great. What a great round. Thrilling, adrenaline. What a round. मजा आया. Okay, before we go to our last round, the decider round, Time for one last look at the score before the final scores are revealed. Sanskar right now is on 30 points. Sanskar. And with a crazy game of Raja Mantri, Chor Sipahi, Pallavi is on 90 points. Then we have Ronit on 35. And Soham is on 40. Right. I think this is turning out to be one of the closest quiz contests we have ever had, because 35, 40, 35. 90 is also not that far. If you think of the last round, there are 80 points on board, so anything can happen. Okay, and 2 people qualify for semi-finals. So, whoa. Okay, let's do the last round now, which is सोच मत. Decode कर. आपके स्क्रीन पे एक हिंट आएगा और एक कैटेगरी का एक वर्ड का हिंट देंगे. You just have to tell me कौन सा किसकी बात कर रहे हैं. +10 -5. Okay. चल, let's start. It's a brand. Okay, Soham.
Vaseline.
Oh, delight भाई, delight.
Good one. Really good. मैं pot सोच रही थी.
क्या
Same.
Pot line.
I was thinking ceramic.
Vaseline. आप क्या सोच रहे थे?
Ceramic.
Ceramic. Okay, okay.
Yeah, Vaseline.
Vaseline, very good. Another Unilever brand. Unilever, if you're watching this episode,
Please sponsor.
please sponsor us. Okay, so +10 to Soham for that.
Good one.
Next, let's go to the next question. Movie. Oh ho. Ronit.
Is it Hira Mandi?
Oh no.
वही सोच रहा था.
Even a film, -5 to Ronit, but it's still open for others. But I can't add extra hints now because Ronit has guessed. So just think of Hindi films.
-5, no? If we get
-5. Iconic Hindi film. No, nobody. But anyone wants to guess for fun?
हेरा फेरी.
हाँ, तो क्यों नहीं किया तू?
हीरा और वो फेरी क्यों?
Fairy wala.
Hera Fairy is correct. Well done, but no points. This was Hera Fairy. Hera and Fairy wala. मिला.
फेरी. Oh, that
हेरा
way
फेरी.
फेरी. हाँ.
I still couldn't figure what was the other thing.
अरे फेरी वाले नहीं आते क्या दिल्ली में? जो नीचे आते हैं.
फेरी.
हाँ,
फेरी
फेरी
वाला
नहीं
बोलते हैं वो नहीं समझ आया.
बोट होता तो मुंबई वालों को समझ.
वोट होता तो. वाह. हेरा और फेरी. ओह हो. भाई कबीरा. तू मतलब crazy. Okay, next question. Actress. Okay, Soham.
विद्या बालन.
yeah.
Beautiful man. Super. Vidya Balan. Well done. Now it's self-explanatory now. Vidya Balan Balan. Okay. Nice. Very crucial. 10 points to Soham. Next. Vijay. Oh ho. Pallavi.
Tina Nath.
दीना और नाथ. नॉट दीना और नाथ. -5 टू पल्लवी. इसमें कैसे वो दीना और कैसे वो नाथ?
नेट दिखा, मैंने बोल दिया.
बट हाँ, अभी कुछ मत बोलो. आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट व्हाट वी वर लुकिंग फॉर. वील वेट फॉर अ बिट फॉर संस्कार, रोनित एंड सोहम. गिवन अप. ठीक. पल्लवी कुछ गेस है?
विजय.
थिंक ऑफ अ फेमस विजय पर्सन. और लेफ्ट वाला क्या है बेसिकली?
विजय राजा.
नहीं, इंग्लिश में सोच. राजा.
किंग.
किंग. ओके. किंग. और राइट वाला क्या कर रहा है?
किंगफिश.
Shit! Penny has dropped finally.
मुझे तो अब तक नहीं
अभी तक नहीं है. तो
King.
it is Kingfisher is what we were looking for. King on your left, Fisher man
हम
on your right.
surnames will.
Vijay and Kingfisher. Okay, Kingfisher is what we're looking for. Okay, 4 more questions to go. Let's do this. Next question. Sara Suhana and Co. Okay, Ronit.
Star Kids.
Star Kids. What? Super. Great crack. Great crack. Star Kids. Sara Suhana and Co. Very nice. Plus 10 points to Ronit. Next question. City. Pallavi.
Chandigarh.
Wow. Chandigarh.
Right.
Super. Chandni और घर became Chandigarh. Fantastic. 10 points to Pallavi. Next question. Wings.
क्यों नहीं किया?
Ronit.
Red Bull.
Red Bull here. Yes, it is Red Bull.
With
Red Bull gives you wings. Red and Bull, one of those relatively direct ones. लास्ट को आप लोग को स्कोर जानना है या चलेगा? नो प्रेशर, फन में खेलते हैं. चलो ठीक. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. मूवी. ओ हो सोहम.
बाहुबली.
बाहुबली. What a great one. मजेदार. On your left, Bahu. On your right was Bali. Bahubali. Bahubali. What a great way to end the
शाम को माँ के साथ सीरियल देखने का फायदा.
वाह 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 वाह. Okay, no matter what are the results and scores, big round of applause to all four of you. You guys are fantastic. You guys are too good. It's too good. Okay, time आ गया final score का. Like I always say, it doesn't matter who won, who lost, and all of that. We had fun, a lot of fun. Let's go first to Sanskar with 30 points. Sanskar, well played. Always fun to have you here, and I'm sure जैसे आपने इंट्रो में बोला था आप तो भूल भी जाओगे स्कोर क्या. But we have a small gift for you, Sanskar, from all of us at Quizzing. Congrats, you're now a quizzer. This is the gift hamper. Thank you. I hope you like the poll somewhere. Thank you, Sanskar. Thank you so much. Thank you for being part of quiz. Anyone can quiz. Now we come to Ronit. Ronit, 50 points. Ronit, what a delight. What a balance in life. One music composer and one who doesn't listen to music. This is balance. Yin yang. This is for you, Ronit. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Now we come to the runner-up of this quiz. It's Soham with 70 points. Soham, it was neck to neck throughout the episode, as you know. But I think the last round में आपने एक दो crucial वाले निकाल दिए. Soham, you are now a semi-finalist. I'll see you soon in the semi-finals. And of course, somebody who went through this full topsy-turvy ride. First round was really like, I don't know, food delivery चुनी थी, ये क्या आ गया. Second was just looking at him going, भाई मैंने क्यों नहीं लिया name plate. Third was just destroying. Raja Mantri, Chor Sipahi, and then the last round also. Big round of applause for Pallavi. She is the winner of this episode. Also a semi-finalist. Our first award is called Wah Production Award. Okay, Wah Production is for any answer, anything that people say that we really like. I think one answer which was not an answer, but basically was a comment when that image came on screen and Pallavi had to guess that image. And she said, I'm not a big fan of neck. I don't have a neck fetish.
Who was that guy?
Who was that guy? Whose neck was it? Whose neck was it? Pallavi, actually, you know what? Shubman Gill was not a bad guess. You were very close, actually. In some sense.
She was the next first. Rinku.
Oh, yeah, so it was not a bad guess. That
Not a
Rinku
bad
Singh.
guess. But you win an award for that neck comment, Pallavi. This is for you. Wah Production Award. Please come and receive. Wah Production Award. Wah, Pallavi, please take this home. And our next favorite moment from the episode, which is totally random moment, we are calling it Crime Master Gogo Award. आया हूँ कुछ तो लेके जाऊँगा. I think that was the moment when our good friend on our left, Soham, started saying all the animals they could think from the and he said Barasinga, bear and Balu. What a moment to our resident zoologist. Give it up for Soham. The Crime Master Gogo Award. This
Thank you.
cap. Yes, and you can pose somewhere. All the animals. Even before that, the moment was abhi le le, and then he quickly started scanning. Le. That brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for watching it online, and thank you for watching the series and this episode. Thank you so much to all four of you. I'll see two of you in the semi-final, two of you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in some quiz somewhere. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.